seriously, I just fixed that headlight like 6 months ago. There's a video right here on it. I gotta fix it again? I think I know what the problem is though. Remember when we replaced the bulb a few months back, we noticed those wires were fried, and that's a common problem on the G6s. So let's get into this. All right, this is that little adapter you can buy with the link down below. You get 2 of these from Amazon, but this is just going to replace the plug-in that goes into the light bulb part of it. Very simple trick to do, and let's get into that, and I'll show you how to switch this out in no time at all. All right, now that your hood's up, you got these little connectors here, and they're just little plastic push-down nuts. But you take a screwdriver and you simply just find that little spot where you can slip it under and pop it up, see, like that, and then pull up on it, and you can pull out the whole thing. That's one whole piece. You didn't break it, it's still there. When you push it back down together, it makes the whole connection there. So take all those off, put them in a safe place. Now this hole for a bumper, you can kind of move so you can have some room to get that headlight out. Next, we'll remove these 2 7mm nuts. There's one. There's 2. Now this headlight just pulls out, and there's a little clip here, but just a little bit of tugging, and you'll get it off of there. There we go. Out she comes. Now that you got your headlight out, this one here closest to the grill, that's your brights. This one here is your running light, or your normal headlight. That's the one you want to take off. And you simply just turn this here. There's your dust and protector. Set that out of the side, and then right in here, you can see there's that bulb. So let me put you in the tripod, and I'll get you in there to see that. Now when you take this out, you're going to turn it. And oh, you can already see the burn marks right there. That just comes out. Try not to touch that bulb. There's these little clips, and if you just turn them to one side and just kind of work it out here, and do your best not to touch that bulb. There it is, got it off. And oh, you can see it right there. Let me get you in close so you can see that. Put this off to the side. Remember, don't touch it. I want to get you in kind of close here. You can kind of see how it's burnt up there? That's the problem. And this happens all the time on these Pontiac G6s. So we're going to have to pull this kind of tight here. Let's see that over there. Make sure we've got enough wire. So we want to cut it as close as we can to right there with our wire cutters. Let's get that done real quick here. All right, here we go. So take some wire snips. Come in here as close as you can and snip those. There's one. Then there's this yellow one. And then there's this other black one. That right there, you can just trash that city. So you get yourself a new one, and they come with red and black. And you're like, oh my goodness, there's not a yellow one. Well, the yellow one goes to the red one, and the black one goes to these 2 black ones. We're going to put them all together. So let's do that one first. Peel that off. So we'll take that, put your wire in as far as it'll go. Get it in there as far as she'll run. Take your crimpers, crimp her down. Then you can test it. Nice and tight, good. Then we're going to take them 2 black ones, and you just want to strip yourself off a little bit of wire there. And then this other black one. All right, take the 2 blacks, put them together, twist them up. Then take the other end of the black, and again, stick it in there. Make sure to get it in there nice and tight. Kind of spin it on there. Test it. Okay, it's tight. Now, I'm going to take your yellow one. Same thing. Cut you off a little bit. Pull it off. Take your red one off of there. Get you another butt connector. Hook your red up there. Make sure to get it in there nice and tight. Crimp her down. Test it nice and tight. Maybe a little bit more in there. There we go. Good, good. And then take the yeller, put it, twist that up a little bit, twist that up, put that on that side. Come on now. Work with me. There we go. Nice and tight in there. Same thing. Make sure she's tight. Right in there. Crimp her down. Good, good. Now, take a light bulb. Plug her back in. And then turn the car on to make sure it's working before you put this all back together. Well, there's our test right there. We fixed that problem. Put that light back in. And then let's just set this in place. Yep, job well done. Now we're just going to button all this back up. Well, looks like we got those headlights filled in. Pretty good. There's the puppy, the shop dog. Now there's a link down below where you can get a 2-wire set for yourself on Amazon. Now you're going to make me a couple dollars. And in addition, I got some other G6 videos coming because I got one myself. So make sure to subscribe and stick around and watch all my other G6 videos. Until next time, have a good one, y'all.